of the pandemic, attacks against healthcare workers have increased significantly at hospitals and doctors' offices across the country. And now Congress is considering legislation that would offer these workers the same protections against assaults and intimidation as airline crews. WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson joins us from Atrium Health, Carolina's medical center, with the details.
Healthcare workers are experiencing assaults, both physical and verbal. It's a problem that's been around for several years, but there's been a rise since the pandemic. Hospitals are where we go when we're sick or hurt and need help the most.
They knew when they went into healthcare that they were going to be caring for people at their most vulnerable.
But healthcare officials say people at their most vulnerable should not resort to violence.
It is zero tolerance. It's unacceptable.
Despite growing awareness of the dangers healthcare workers face and campaigns to highlight them, the problem of assaults on healthcare workers is getting worse, not better.
Accelerated significantly over the past several years.
According to the American Hospital Association, 44% of nurses reported experiencing physical violence and 68% reported experiencing verbal abuse during the pandemic. The Safety from Violence for Healthcare Employees Act would give healthcare workers additional legal protections against assaults and intimidation. Atrium Health officials say they've taken extra safety measures like additional security and metal detectors.
Going into healthcare, you're going to work long hours. And you're going to be in some difficult situations, but we did not go into healthcare thinking that we were going to be unsafe. And we have to make sure that our teammates who are doing amazing work on behalf of our community every day feel like they're safe because their jobs are difficult enough.
Employees who are assaulted can press charges, but that is up to the individual themselves. Atrium Health says they do support them in that process. Reporting at Atrium Health, Carolina's medical center, for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.